Oh, that is disgusting. Stop that. That is repulsive.
I want to shoot my arrow back.
I'm just gonna kill you in 2 seconds again.
No, please.
Hopefully I get a bow. That was so funny last time where I just shot you twice and you fell off. And then like the first 2 seconds.
Not funny.
Yeah, it was.
So people, kill me. 8, 7. Someone else joined. We just kill them.
Alright, we'll kill them and then... Oh, booties. I got some lingerie booties. Oh, I got a bow, Dan. I'm gonna knock him off.
I got a bow too.
I hit them twice, but they didn't fall off. Because the water... They had come to my island. Don't shoot me.
I wasn't shooting you. I was shooting the other person.
Alright, come to my island and then... Oh, wait, we should put our armor on. Probably.
I have my armor on. This is all I got. What you do to that big fat butt?
Oh, she's building. Alright, you cover me and I'll go. I have a...
Yeah, she shows her face. I'll kill her. She's showing her face, yeah. Oh, knocked her off.
Oh. Oh, you dog! Oh, you dirty dog! Oh my gosh.